For questions like this, it's always helpful to me to try to draw a picture of what's going on here. So a developer wants to enclose a rectangular grassy lot that borders a city street for parking. Alright, so we'll draw a little street here. Alright, and it's a rectangular grassy lot. Alright, so we'll say that's the lot there. So if the developer has 232 feet of fencing and does not fence on this side here, so there's no fence here, what is the largest area that can be enclosed? So let's call this side here X. And so that means this side over here is also X since it's a rectangle. And so basically what that means is that this side over here needs to be 232 total feet of fence minus that X up here minus this X down here, or in other words 232 minus 2X. Alright, so we don't know how long this is, but we know it happens twice, and we know we have 232 feet of fencing. So if we take 232 minus these two X's, we'll get this side. So our area of this rectangle will be X times 232 minus 2X. Right, this side times this side, which is this right here. So our area we can rewrite as, let me distribute that and rewrite it in descending order, is negative 2x squared plus 232x. Alright. So if we want to get the largest area, we want to maximize the area. Right, remember things are maximized when we are at the vertex. And we talked about the fact that this is a negative in front of this means this is a frowny face parabola. So it sure enough is maximized right there. So let's go find the vertex of this. And so the vertex would occur at negative b over 2a, right? And then f of negative b over 2a. And that's the coordinates of the vertex. So negative b over 2a for this problem would be negative 232 over 2, and a is 2. Alright, so let's get our calculator. Alright, so 232 divided by 4 is 58. And then there's two negatives, so it is positive. Alright, so in other words, when x equals 58, this thing is maximized. So we can actually go ahead and stop right there. Or you could actually plug in 58 back into this. You'll get the answer either way. Right, if we take 58 times 232 minus 2 times 58, we get the area. But that's also the same as putting in 58, f of 58, right? So in other words, let's put 58 in, and so we get the area then would be 58 times 232 minus 2 times 58. Alright, so let's get our calculator back out. So I'll do order of operations first. 58 times 2, so 232 minus 116. And then multiply that times 58. And we get 6,728 is the answer. And that is answer choice A. Alright, so this is a pretty complex problem. This is not on the test, but it's a great example of how you can take a pretty simple situation and find out where to maximize the area in this case. Alright.